Okay, this is Antonio. I'm going to talk about the modularization of the Chrome browser directory. So a worth reading email for context is something that Eric Chen sent to to Chromium Dev mailing list, which is the design principles for desktop code in Chrome browser. Basically, it lists a couple of principles, and the full set of principles is actually available in docs/Chrome browser design principles MD. But we're going to talk about one of them, which we call modularity. So basically, it says that all features should be modular. It enforces the creation of API surfaces and splits the dependencies between them. Features should reside on their own directories, and each directory should have its own build.jn file. What do we have today? Talking about two particular directories, Chrome browser and Chrome browser UI. The first has 300 more or less directories, so 300 sub-features, and the other one has 87 subdirectories, so about 87 features, right? If we look at the build.jn files of each of them, they are actually huge, and they rule the compilation of all those modules. So basically, we're talking about 9,000 lines of code for one, 6,000 lines of code for the others, and that definitely goes against the modularity principle. So basically, the project consists in cleaning up those build systems by adding build system to each subdirectory that's considered a feature. Let's give an example. It's the cook controls subdirectory. So basically, it has a circular dependency back with Chrome browser. And that's how it was declared before in the huge build.jn file, 4 files. And now that's how it looks with the modularized version. We basically have a API target because it has a circular dependence. And we have the implementation target, which contains the circular dependence back with Chrome browser target. What are the takeaways? Do not touch, if you can, the build.jn files that we are actually cleaning up. Circular dependencies, they are disencouraged, but they are allowed temporarily, but they are supposed to go away when the major build.jn files are actually cleaned up. And the separation that we did with API and implementation targets, it could be reached with C++ if we do an interface and implement, the interfaces in the other target. In C++, we do it in GN. We do the work in a same automated way, in fact. So basically, we generate a skeleton of Vue.jn with one script. It looks like this at first run. Then we remove the previous references that it has in the other Vue.jn file. So it will look like this. We are removing. And then we actually construct the dependency list with another script. So we just add the construct list over there. We're tracking the work in a spreadsheet. So the green is what's done. The red is what's to be done. So there is still a lot of work to be done. And it's being primarily done by myself, Antonio, Maxime from Igalia, under the leadership of Eric Chen from Google. So that's it. Thank you.